among a fivefold ministry. What is number one? It was for the equipping of the saints. So remember, you are called to be a saint. So in the midst of a saint, a duty of prophet is to equip you for what? For the work of the ministry. Duty is to equip you to serve. So if I was to equip her to serve in the house of God, I would have failed in my mission as a prophet. And Ukuba were now today equipped and we fellowship in the but the problem is that you are sitting with a bunch of people in the church of God. About the followers in jail, about equipped. Ukuba who today equipped to work, something is wrong. Ukuba ndiyenza kahle lento kaThixo, umele uzume equipped to work. My question is, kwiminyaka ulikholwa yintoni lento isandla sakho sithi azayifumana uba masiyenze? Do you just come to say present, Fundisi? Just bafudula isitulo? No, you are called to be a saint. Then as you are a saint, you are given a prophet. The duty of a prophet is to equip you for the work of the ministry. So in the ministry, equipped so that together we can serve. Once in the Bible, the whole body now will be edified. Jesus saw the multitude. Wasuka waba moved in his heart. Ngoba xa bajonga ababantu, ubabona njengezimvu ezingenantoni, ezingenamelusi. Kuyacaca into yobana this is the desire of the Holy Spirit. This is the desire of Jesus Christ. This is the desire of God the Father to have as many shepherds as we can. To have as many shepherds as we can. Because if anyone desires, you are desiring a good thing. It's going to bless you. Ngale into ndenzayo ndizakwenzela izinto unganokwazi uzenza. Mhlawumbe khona iminyaka kudala uzama uyivula, zikhona kudala ufuna uzenza, but every time uqonqonde awuthuvuleka. Kodwa ngale into enzayenza izawuvula iminyaka ibingavuleki ngale into namhlanje. Ngale into namhlanje. Izawuforce iminyaka by force as not choice. After namhlanje uzawuthi uphuma phofu, ngeke uqhubisa nomqhuza vele isivulekele nje iminyaka. By reason of understanding what I'm about to tell you. People are weary outside. People are scattered outside. You are sitting with knowledge. You are there with knowledge. You are doing nothing. You carry revelation. You carry light. You don't even associate yourself with SEO. There is nothing that you are doing. Yet you claim to be a child of a prophet. In the kingdom, we don't have secret agents. You ought to burn and shine because you are the light of the world. You are a city set upon a hill. You can't be hidden. You can't be hidden. You can't be hidden. You know what? I'm the light of the world. Oh, I'm not hidden. I am set upon a hill. I am set upon a hill. Oh, guess who's status man who's status make a passport taffy? God, that's status make us shine the spirit about. You must be bright in the corner where you are. I say you must be bright in the corner where you are. You must be bright. You must be bright. Escalating, burn and shine. Absolutely, burn and shine. In the ministry, burn and shine. Wherever you are, burn and shine. Tell them, I say, burn and shine. Say, burn and shine. But how are you going to shine? Because the Bible injani man? Ungayalathi injani? Ungayalathi injani? Jonga, lento isifake dynamite bomb. Kuhamba i-current yomlilo phaa. Ndimoshela explode, akakhumbuza lo. Kama jonga kwanokuba kwenzeka ntoni? It's an explosion. What happened? Light, fire, something is happening. It's like matches. As long as zisondelene, zonke izizwe zisondelene. Bonke abantu mabasondelene. Kutsho umashiso one, wosulela le, wosulela lo. Kwenzeka ntoni? They just see light. They just see light. So shepherds are needed. Because where there are shepherds, the sheep will gather. Then the devil, that's what he doesn't want. Because the full of men gathered was not scattered. Because when you gather like this, you gather because there's a shepherd. Then the devil, I can't tell the scattered. Imagine if we can arise and shine and become a shepherd there. And in neighborhood, they will begin to gather. Now, anymore because we are rising up as a shepherd.